Whatever your level of experience, this video series is going to help you a lot for whether you're trying to make it big or you're just trying to have a good YouTube channel. Hey guys, it's Oz from OzzyAwesome. Everyone and their grandmother has a YouTube channel. I'm sure you guys have YouTube channels as well, whether you use them for just uploading things here and there for like memories or vacations, or whether you're an actual YouTuber who's trying to make it big and become an influencer. Now there's tons of videos on YouTube telling you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a successful YouTube channel in 2025, etc., etc. But this one is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be using AI throughout the entire channel creation. Using AI tools that I'll be introducing throughout the video series, we'll be starting right from scratch, from zero. No topic, no channel, no subscribers, nothing. And we're gonna build it up and see how well we do. And I'm not just gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a channel and then good luck. I'm actually gonna show you the little things that are involved using AI, but not only that, but using my experience that I've had for the last 15 years on YouTube to kind of show you how you can have a successful channel. And trust me, if I'd known these things 15 years ago, I would have probably had like 1 million subscribers already. So you can join me in my journey where I start this new channel. I'm gonna see how far it goes. And if you guys wanna join along, you guys can also create the channels along with me. It would be awesome to know that one of you guys created a channel that blew up thanks to my tutorial. Anyway, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna think of a topic that we want to make on YouTube, so like our niche or our genre, and I'm gonna be starting with ChatGPT, so let's check that out. Okay, so let's start at my computer with Google. We're gonna go to chat, it's already there, but ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, it's from OpenAI. I recommend getting one. It's free, but there is a paid version, but I would recommend you don't need that unless you start making tons of cash, and in that case you can always throw some money at ChatGPT. So one thing I wanted to mention is I already have a faceless YouTube channel called Wikipedia. It's a little tidbits of information, kind of small short videos about different topics, but this time I'm thinking of making something because I realized in order to make money on YouTube you need to be monetized, and in order to do that you do need to have, I believe it's 1,000 subscribers and I think 4,000 hours of videos. So 2-minute videos are not going to do much for me, so I'm thinking if I can get longer videos but that are easier to make, I might be able to make a channel where people watch for longer amounts of time. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT what they recommend. Okay. So the first one is saying relaxing ambience and background sounds. It's faceless, loopable, easy to edit. People leave them running for hours. Oh, very good. AI generated documentaries. Interesting. Scripts with ChatGPT, voiceover, stock footage, long videos. Okay. Meditation, guided affirmation. So sleep meditation, faceless storytelling like true crime, compilations, AI generated podcasts, faceless tutorials, how-to guides, productivity, study with me, book summaries, AI music plus visualizer channel. So that sounds good. I actually like the first idea, the relaxing video kind of ambience and background sounds, just because my wife Mayu, she actually keeps that on a lot while she's studying, while she's cleaning the house, to help Kokoro, my dog, relax when she's taking a nap and whatnot. So I'm gonna go with the idea that ChatGPT gave me about the first one, the relaxing sounds. So I'm gonna continue on ChatGPT just to carve out my channel more. Okay, so it's telling me that that's a good idea. Here are some channel names: Elegant and Soothing, Still Wave Sounds, Velvet Ambiance, Moonrest Audio, Serene Studio, Tranquil Pulse. Functional search is Relax and Focus, Study Sleep, Ambient Vibes, Deep Calm Audio, Zen Flow Sessions, Pet and Calmness, Sound Haven, Whisker Waves, Gentle Echoes, Serenity. All of those sound good. Now the thing is that ChatGPT doesn't always know which channel names are taken by YouTube, so that's where we're gonna go next. We're gonna see what name we like, and then we're going to try to see if it's taken or if it's available on YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna go to YouTube. Okay, and I signed out just to keep it kind of fresh, and I'm gonna choose like relaxing music and sounds. Okay, so actually you can kind of check the competition here. You can see different channel names. This one is called Soothing Relaxation, which is something similar to what ChatGPT was saying, and it has 74 million views. Wow. Let's see what other channels there are. Meditation, relax music, inner peace and meditation, open heart music. Okay, velvet ambiance, mellow vibes, cozy lounge, meditative dreams, ambience academy. Okay, it looks like it's not it seems like it's not taken, so that's a good idea. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use Velvet Ambiance. I'm gonna tell ChatGPT that we decided on Velvet Ambiance, and then just kind of see what kind of logo, what kind of description, what kind of information they can give to me that I can use to create my YouTube channel. And see here, they already put a channel description. Welcome to Velvet Ambiance, your calming companion for sleep, study, relaxation, and focused living. Our carefully crafted soundscapes blend peaceful music, natural ambience, and gentle texture to help you fall asleep faster, stay focused while studying or working, soothe your pets while you're away, de-stress and all. Subscribe for daily uploads of ambient music, lo-fi vibes, nature sounds, white noise, and chill backgrounds for a more peaceful day and night. Breathe, focus, relax them. Oh wow, and it even gives me 10 video ideas like I mentioned. So there's number 1, rainy cafe for studying and reading, lo-fi piano or jazz, light rain, deep sleep with ocean waves, soft ambient, forest sounds for relaxation, chill lo-fi for late night focus, calming music for anxious pets, white noise for sleep and focus, thunderstorm sounds with piano, snowfall, study sessions, healing frequencies, soft jazz. Wow. You don't really want to use your personal email because you don't want people emailing you, and you want to keep things separate. So I would recommend keeping it separate for business and personal, but it's up to you. So this is a company one. We're going to actually go for the free one, okay? Because this one they charge you. So we're going to go to a Gmail address at Gmail. So it wouldn't be at Velvet, what was it again? velvetambiance.com. So let's get an email address. So first name, I'm just gonna put S.A. Osborne because that's what I go by. I'm gonna put in my birthday. Here, you don't want to use your existing email. We're gonna get a Gmail address instead. And we're gonna try to get Velvet Ambiance. Okay. So that Gmail is already taken because Velvet Ambiance sounds like it would be a popular name, I guess. So what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna call it Velvet Ambiance channel, and that usually works. Yep, there we go. And then we're just gonna create a password, and you need to put your phone number in because they want to verify you're not a robot. So my name is S.A. Osborne, Velvet Ambiance channel at gmail.com. Okay. Then I just have to read everything. I agree. So this is my channel here. As you can see, there's nothing here, but we have our Google account and our YouTube studio. Let's create a channel. Okay, so our name and our handle, and we're gonna call it Velvet Ambiance. And we're gonna see if Velvet Ambiance is taken. It probably is. So we're gonna call it channel. And that looks like it's available, okay? So our name of the channel is Velvet Ambiance. Our handle is Velvet Ambiance channel. The name, you can pretty much put anything you want. It doesn't really matter if anyone else has it or not. It'll be your channel name. But the @ handle is kind of like Instagram. It has to be original. No one else can have it. This is the channel name pretty much that your channel will go by and everyone will know you by. So if someone else is using Velvet Ambiance, like it looks like in our case, we added the word channel to kind of make it unique to us, okay? So now we have our channel name and our handle. First, let's go see at ChatGPT, see if what kind of logo they gave us. So this is the one they gave us, velvet ambiance with the peace sign and the music sign. It's all right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to my favorite kind of graphic design channel or software. It's called Canva. It's very popular, and the best thing about it is it's also free. So we're gonna go to canva.com. okay, and we're gonna design a YouTube logo. So the good thing about it is you can do your own designs. You can use templates. So there's tons of templates. So for example, if you type in YouTube logo, so many will come up, and see they're already kind of made for you there. You can choose anything you like, and you can customize them to whatever you want. But what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to use AI. Since we're making an AI channel, we might as well have an AI created logo. Relaxing music channel called Velvet Ambiance. Let's see if it works. So let's see if this works. Ooh, so it's like purple velvet, like Prince. And I'm going to open in the editor, and what that allows me to do is it allows me to kind of make it like adjust whatever I want to adjust. So I'm going to use this as my channel. So I'm going to use Velvet Ambiance. It looks kind of interesting. I'm going to click on download. I'm going to keep it as a PNG. Yeah, just download it. First, we're going to customize the channel. So we're going to go back to here. We're going to customize the channel. Okay, so this is our channel. So we're going to start with a banner. We're going to say for next, we're going to use our here to upload our logo that we just put in. Yep, done. Okay, so that's our Velvet Ambiance. And then so the next thing we're going to do is our banner image. It's 2048 by 1152. So we're going to go to Canva again, and we're going to just click we're going to put in YouTube banner, and this is the AI version. It's just gonna think of different things. It's asking me, so I'm gonna say, it's asking, what's your YouTube channel about? Do you have a style or theme in mind? If you have any colors and imagery you want to feature, let me know. Yes, I want to create the banner for my relaxing music channel called Velvet Ambiance. And here is my logo, and I'm going to attach the logo here as well so they know what it's looking for. So it's going to use my logo to create a banner. So let's see what it does. Okay. This one looks interesting. Okay, so I'm going to open this one up, and the reason why it has a lot of the stuff in the middle is that's the part that will show up on the channel, mostly on your cell phone. If you have a bigger TV or if you have like a desktop, then it would show a little bit more, but the main stuff that's important is in here. So we're going to keep this one. I like this one. It's good enough. And I'm going to download this. So PNG, I'm just going to download it the way it was, and then we're going to go here to the upload area. We're going to click on this one, and see, this is the part that's viewable on all devices, including smartphones. This one is what's included on the desktop, so it shows the whole part here, and if you were on TV, it would show everything. So I like that. So that's done. Perfect. We're going to put name Velvet Ambiance. We already have our Velvet Ambiance channel. Here's the description. So remember in here where ChatGPT told us what to write. So here's the description. We're gonna just pretty much copy it and paste. copy. Okay, there. Perfect. Okay, this is our channel URL for now because we don't have a unique one yet. We can add a link here. I would recommend, if you end up having your own website or having your own store or something like that, you want to put your link there. We won't put a link in there right now just because I have nothing to promote, but we'll be doing that later in the videos. Okay, we don't want to put the email we just created for this because you shouldn't put the email that's connected to this account. So I'll put hello at GhostYourJob. And then the watermark, I was going to say, the best watermark to do is a subscribe button. So if you go to Canva, so we're just going to go back to home. We're going to go to actually templates, and we can just put a YouTube watermark. If you do that, see, it's already here. It's kind of, you can do whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize it. So I don't need this. I don't even need the don't forget to. I'm just going to put this, and instead of this black, I'm going to change this color. Well, actually, I'm going to keep the subscribe with the hand. And because I have a payable, when I download it, I can just have a transparent background because I don't want the black. So when I download it, it'll have just the name with the hand. And then what I'm going to do is when I go back to the customization area, when I upload this watermark here, I'm going to use this non-background one, this one, and then I'm going to use it for the entire video, and then I'm just going to publish it. Okay, so now we've created our channel. Let's take a look at what we have so far. Okay, so this is our channel URL. So I'm just going to open up a new window and I'm going to put it in there, see what it looks like. There you go. We have our velvet ambiance here, we have the logo here, and we have the name. So we haven't put any content here, but that's our channel so far. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so just to recap, we decided on a niche, we decided on a channel name, we decided on the logo, we created a logo, we created a YouTube banner, and we created a Gmail account with it, and we created a channel. So our YouTube channel is officially live. Now the next thing we need to do is to actually make videos, which will be in our next video. Now for the next video, I'm going to be showing you not only how to make a video and edit it, but I'll be showing you how to use AI to make the video editing process and the choosing of the videos and adding the music and everything a lot easier, since we decided on a relaxing music channel. So if you guys are going to be following along with me, make sure you guys have your channel, your niche, everything ready to go. And once you have all that ready and you have your channel set up, stay tuned for video 2, where you will be able to see how to make your first video. So if you haven't already, definitely subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Also leave any comments, any questions, anything you have in the comment section below. And there's also information in the information section if you need more help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace.